Before you consider buying Navan, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. In this video, I'm going to break them down and show you how Navan stacks up against other competitors in the market. Trust me, this will be worth watching till the end, especially if you want to avoid costly mistakes. And hey, if you're interested, you can try out Navan for free through the first link in the description below, so stick around for more details. Let's dive straight into the first thing you need to know before buying Navan. The first thing to consider is how intuitive the user interface is. Navan has an interface that's easy to navigate, even for those new to the software. Compared to others like Monday.com or Asana, which are widely known for their steep learning curve, Navan simplifies things by offering a straightforward setup that won't waste your time. It's clean, minimalist, and doesn't overload you with unnecessary features, which means you can focus on what matters, getting work done. Next thing, let's talk integrations. One of the biggest strengths of Navan is its robust integration capabilities. While platforms like Rike may offer a decent range of third-party tools, Navan goes a step further by seamlessly connecting with more than 1,000 apps, including some niche tools that might be crucial for your team. This means if you already use other popular software like Google Workspace, Slack, or Microsoft Teams, you won't be left hanging. This could save you countless hours of switching between platforms. The third thing you need to know about Navan is its pricing structure. Unlike some competitors who lock you into rigid pricing tiers, Navan offers a flexible plan that scales with your needs. While platforms like ClickUp might seem more affordable on the surface, once you start adding necessary features, the costs pile up. Navan's pricing is more predictable and offers clear value, especially for growing businesses or teams looking for a scalable solution. You're not just paying for extra bells and whistles, but for a platform that adapts as you grow. The fourth thing is automation. If your workflow requires frequent repetitive tasks, you'll appreciate Navan's powerful automation features. Automating tasks in other tools like Trello or Monday can often feel clunky or limited. But with Navan, you can automate routine workflows and trigger actions without a hitch. Whether you're managing project timelines, task assignments, or communication across teams, Navan ensures your processes are streamlined. The fifth thing is how well it handles project tracking and reporting. Now, when compared to competitors like Smartsheet, which has a more Excel-like approach, Navan offers a more intuitive project tracking experience. It offers detailed reports with advanced analytics that are easy to understand. If you're managing complex projects or large teams, having real-time insights on your project's progress can make all the difference in decision-making. Next up, we need to talk about customer support. When comparing Navan to competitors like Monday or Trello, one major difference you'll notice is its top-notch customer service. Navan offers 24/7 support, and it's not just automated responses. Their support team is known for being responsive, helpful, and quick to resolve any issues. This is critical, especially when you're implementing new software into your workflow. And the last thing you need to know before buying Navan is its mobile experience. In today's fast-paced world, working on the go is non-negotiable. While other project management tools like Asana may offer mobile apps, Navan's mobile experience is top tier. The app is well designed, making it just as easy to manage tasks from your phone as it is from your desktop. So whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just on the move, Navan keeps you connected to your work seamlessly. If you want to try out Navan for yourself and get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on exploring all that Navan has to offer before making your final decision. Make sure to check out the link and experience how Navan can help elevate your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.